What's up, everybody? It's the blind bearded chef Zeke. That's me, y'all. That's me. I am about to do some broccoli cheese rice casserole, like Piccadilly's. Yeah. So I'm gonna do some hamburger steaks, mashed potatoes, and some broccoli cheese casserole. So I'm gonna recreate me a Piccadilly's meal. So I'm gonna do the hamburger steaks. Gonna show y'all the steps of doing the hamburger steaks, and the broccoli and cheese au gratin. All right, let's get busy. All right, we're gonna make a broccoli rice au gratin, or broccoli rice casserole. Get your 9x13 casserole dish. Okay. We're going to do some ball in the bag rice. So it's going to be 2 cups of rice. 2 cups of cooked rice. Right here, that's some fresh broccoli. So there's 2.5, is that? Yeah. That's 2.5 cups of fresh broccoli. Put that to the side. We're going to need some butter. Probably, I don't know, probably 3 tablespoons of butter. Cheese. That's some sharp cheddar cheese. We're going to need like 1 cup. Or 1.5 cup, how much cheese you want in it. What else I got here? Need 1 can of cream of mushroom. We're gonna put some slap your mama in there. We're gonna put some white pepper in there. And we're gonna have some salt right there. Okay, so I'm about to go I got my water boiling over there. I'm about to take my 2 cups of water, my 2 cups and a half of broccoli, and I'm going to throw it in the boiling water right quick so it can steam for about about 7 minutes. All right, be right back. In our bowl, let's put our 2 cups, 2 or 2.5 cups of steamed broccoli. Okay, let's go ahead and put about 3 tablespoons of butter. Putting it like that because I didn't measure it out. So okay, it's about 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, if they get acquainted in there like that, what else we gotta put in here? Let's go ahead and put let's put a little white pepper. So we're gonna put about a 1/2 teaspoon. A 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, and we're going to put about a 1/2 teaspoon of slap your mama. That's it. That's all you're gonna need. Or season to your taste. Stir that in that broccoli. I'm about to sneeze. Ooh. Right. Got that in there. Okay. Now, let's put the where I'm at. Let's start off with about 2 cups of rice. About 2 cups of rice. See if I need the rest of it later. Stir that rice in there. Let me see. Do I need more rice? Yeah. I'm gonna go and put, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put 3 cups of rice. Okay, 3 cups of rice. Okay. Going to put 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. That's a 10-ounce can of cream of mushroom. Okay. Stir that in there. Okay. And let's put in about 1 cup of cheese. This is about 1 1/3 cups. I'll take the other cheese and then I'll sprinkle it on top. Okay. Sprinkle the rest on top. All right, let me stir all this in. Be right back. Got it all mixed up. Here go your 9x13 casserole dish. Butter it up. I got my oven set at 350. It's gonna go in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So go ahead and put your broccoli, rice, and cheese. Told y'all making a Piccadilly's meal today. Y'all seen me do my hamburger steak, which Piccadilly's used to call chopped beef. And then I used to also get my broccoli cheese casserole right here. And I got my mashed potatoes made already. So let me spread this out. After you guys spread it out, just take that other, about 1/3 cup of cheese and just sprinkle it on top of your dish. All right, we're gonna put this in the oven, like I say, between 20 and 25 minutes on 350, uncovered. And I'll be back to show y'all the finishing product. All right, y'all. I'm bringing this hot thing through. Let me see if I'm where I'm at. Where am I? There I go. It's been in there for 30 minutes. Y'all hear it bubbling? Do y'all hear it? Ooh, it smells good. Here we go. Look at that. Should be a little brown. Should be brown on top. I wanted it brown on top. So instead of 25 minutes, I put it in there for 30 minutes. Okay, we gotta let this cool off a little while before I taste it. All right, so that go my broccoli and cheese, or gratin, or you can call it broccoli and cheese casserole. All right, some good stuff right there, y'all. Now, some good stuff. All right, be right back. Looky, there you go. There go my broccoli cheese rice casserole, broccoli and cheese or gratin. Yeah. Let's taste this bad boy before I fix my plate. So we gonna, but this the one gonna be on my plate. Let's taste it, let's taste it, let's taste it. See if it tastes like Piccadilly's. Wow. Delicious, y'all. Delicious. Now let me go fix the rest of my food and taste the rest of it. All right.